What's up, Madonnas? I guess me gonna call on that for now until me figure out the name for my nice, clean supporters them. Supporters is a common word. Anybody can say support. But when you call somebody a name, then they are special. You know? Supporters is a common thing because everybody can say support. But when you have a name for your group of supporters, I mean supporters is a good word, but everybody can say supporters. I want to call on a name, something that is special. And for now, Madonnas sound good. Madonnas. Okay? Madonnas. Wagwan Madonnas them. Alright, so me and Gracey was having a conversation earlier and I literally want her to share this with you guys. So I'm now get into it. I'll just call her and so when you can hear the conversation that we were having. She said she was going to, I didn't want her to actually say, Gracey, let's share this, you know. But she had to go make dinner for her dad. Her dad is spending this holiday with her, Christmas and New Year. So that is very special. And our nephew, they're both with her. You know, she don't have our family, them live up here. So it's good when she have our visitors, our family as visitors to come and spend time with her. She's enjoying the moment right now. So, but me go call her because it's been a minute and I went and get something to eat. So hopefully she finish up and ready for this conversation. So I'm gonna call her right now. Let's call Gracey. It's low.
Please.
Okay, so I guess Gracey is not available yet. Our phone gonna still depend on silent. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for her to call me back. I'm gonna pause the video for a little bit and then I'll get right back. Okay, see you in a minute. Gracey, and we had so long, why you take so long for answer? Oh Jesus. No sir. And I look left and left over you there and I look left over you go warm up. Or I cook you go cook. Cause me don't eat long time and sit down comfortable on camera wait for you.
Are you an animal?
No, me are not no animal. No, me eat. Sit down and me eat comfortable and have a bottle of thing.
You can't be comfortable and call your bathroom?
Oh my God. Alright, somebody say, somebody me just read one comment a while ago say, tell Gracey say you don't want any PJs to do the do. And if you ever know say that come right in my head when me get the PJs, it come in my head, but because Sean was right there behind me, me couldn't say it. Me couldn't. It's so funny because it come in my head, but because Sean, you know, sometimes no matter how big your children them is, you know, you respect them. You know, me not talk certain things in front of my children, them, you know. So it's like, even if them go watch my video and hear me say it, it's okay, but then grown, you know, them not a child. But it's just, yeah, if you just spit it out like that in front of them. If I did me and you know and me I said, me would say, yeah, it come to me, but I want no PJs to do no do. First of all, that the PJs they don't stretch where you can draw it at the side and slide it in. That the PJs they not stretch, so you have to take off the whole thing. So all of that coming at me, and you know when you tell me about me love the my God. I can't bother me rude. No easy. Alright, call me back in a 5 because me don't know what you're talking about. Mm-hmm. The camera set up a wait for you. I mean, now get up, you know.
Okay.
All right.
That's frustrating to me, see.
Okay. So she have a look at overnight food and take 1 hour to go warm up a little bickle and eat it. Like, me not have no time for this. But so we are going to share. Me don't sit down and eat me oxtail and me rice and peas and have a buckle of thing. Warm up my overnight food. This is overnight food. And the overnight food left over she have to. So what she are going with? I waste my time. I don't have a time for it. Anyway, I'm put the video on pause again. Okay guys, so I decide to tell Gracey's story because I'm sitting away at her and right now I feel very tired. I'm just want to lay down sleep. I don't have time for it on Gracey. So me and Gracey was having a conversation earlier and because this is what Gracey do me all the time. Tell me say me and her go do. Me tell her if I come at me and her do a video. Yes. And then she boycott me. We not get rid of the video. And then me get upset upon her. And that's why sometimes I have to just cuss her. So me and her was talking about, you know, how God work. She say she did work the other day and she spend up her little money, buy up send for her family, do whatever she have to do. So she kinda run dry. And she say it's so funny that she want gas, she need to pay a toll, and this person was where she was and the person have cancer. And a group of them was trying to put a little donation for the person who have cancer. So she have the $120 to her name. And she give it with a willing heart. She give them the $20, knowing that she go home, knowing that she have to go to work tomorrow, and knowing that she have to pay a toll, don't know where to come from. And she say, by the time she walk, go up in the hallway, somebody walk over to her and say, Gracey, here. I work she did there. I never do want to say I work she did there, but I work she did there. And she walk up to her and say, it's like the supervisor or somebody way in a bigger position than her. And she then give her $100 and say, buy a drink. And Gracie say, she start ball right there in front of them and turn to the person and say, I can't tell you what me I go cry for. I can't tell you right now because she da cry. And it touched me. And the reason why I say me would I want her to say it on the video. Because I just want to understand say sometime we're not at the last bottom. We're not at the last. We don't know when you drain out a milk pan and you drain it so till nothing left in there. And that's what she did there. And when she tell me it touched me, I'm say these are things where we need to share. Like when you go through certain things and God provide for you, this is what you're talking about. Faith. And I was on and on the phone, me and Gracey talking about your faith must be as at least small as a mustard seed. Things will work for you. You have to trust and believe in what you believe in. And that is the story that I really, really want to share with you now. It's just that I don't want Grace if it's to tell you now, but it is just as it is. And we were talking about it because God have done some great things in life. And it is only going to get better when you believe. God has done great things for people. Prove time and time again. God has done great things for me. Time and time and time and time, I prove him so many times. And this is a story that I want to explain to them. I have a story too. I have so many stories I want to share with them. But I just take them one step at a time. I'm not going to mix up the story them. I just gotta focus on telling the story, so I can focus on explaining the story too, no. Because sometimes I change my topic, them switch over from one topic to the next. I try not to do that. I learn for grow, not be all over the place unless there's some comedy. I do, with me and Gracey. But that's it. Like it's like God is just there when you believe and trust. Say, Him is there. Just don't give up. Hold the faith. Continue to hold the faith. And Him going to come true for you. Let me tell you, you see, when you pray and God knows that your heart clean, you don't have nothing to worry about, Ask Him. Hold Him accountable. Hold God accountable for what Him say Him going to do. He not leave you and Him not forsake you when you hold Him accountable. And that is just that I want to explain to you. And that is just it I want to share with you today. Because when you feel it, you feel it. And when you feel God present, you have God within you. Oh my God. Just talk about Gracey's story. She shall call me. Oi.
Mm-hmm.
Hallelujah. Okay. Eh? What you say? No, me just want you to share the story real quick. Cause me that talk on the video before, but me just want you to share the story with the person where you give the $20.
Oh, so today I work. Today I work. Today was Wednesday.
Yeah, today Wednesday.
Today I work Friday. I'm have $120. And I have a co-worker sick out for nearly a year now. And a next co-worker come and say she have an envelope with a card and she want to send it to her. But she asked me if we have nothing. Can put in it and sign it. I sit down there when everybody again on me and said, Lord Jesus, I have to $120. Easy pass done. And me have to pay out of pocket. And I care want some gas. And I did it and I said, Lord. I get up, I'm going to my bag and I take up the $20. I'm going to get it and I sign the card. I'm going to walk up, come it up to some of my residents in the room to go set them up. And when I pass the med room, I have a Jamaican med tech in there and she comes, she said, Gracey, come here. And when I go in there, she said something to me and she stretched out her, and honestly, I never hear what she said, and I look up on her card. I say what she say, and when she stretch out her hand, but when I look on her hand, I know I see her hand stretch out, but when I look up in her face, I think Gracey hold it. Buy yourself something with it. And when I look down in her hand, when she put in her hand, I see $100. And I look on her, I call her by her name, and I say, no, sir. God can't read, so I'm going to say something to you, but I can't say it to you now. I'm going in the room, one of my residents' room, I'm going there, I'm hold up the $100. I said, God, I thank you, I'm here, so you're working mysterious ways, but I never know, say, you would have come through so quick for me. All we have to do, God, is trust and believe you, And I said, God, I want you to bless her and make her food basket never go dry, God Almighty. I'm going to lift up the $100 and I thank God for it. So I get back my $20 plus $80. I'm going to have to full up my tank and I have to work for the rest of the week till I get paid.
Wow.
Who could that be? God is an awesome God.
Yeah, when you say you did that cry, when you get the money, you say you start cry when you that talked to me earlier.
I cry.
And it's...
I go in the room, I'm crying because I can't believe God come through so fast.
Yeah.
Understand what I say? I feel crying. Honestly, tears. I don't like me a ball.
Yeah, tears coming out your eye. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just after the whole night, me just like God thank, but nobody would not understand. Somebody that says $100, somebody can share. Yes. And if we get back the $20, I would have go and I would have praise God back.
See him so. See him so, because to God be the glory.
Sometimes we do some things, we could just trust God and believe.
Yeah. You know, Gracey, it's so funny because me there I wait for you, me I get impatient and me feel tired and me start to talk your story. And me talk everything in the story. Everything. Me start to talk the story where you tell me, because it's just a touching story, and sometimes people need to understand that if you have faith, you give away your last, you know. You give away your last.
Mm-hmm.
And it's like, and that's, yeah, and remember, easy for you as it's not like say you're RN or you're a doctor or you're a lawyer. You go through it because you're alone, and you're alone to pay your bills, to pay renting a jersey by yourself. It is not cheap. Plus you have your family back. Plus you have your family back home on a Christmas now, and you have to give little nicks not to your grandchildren and your children them when they back home. So it is not easy this time. Yeah, you still are trying your best to do little things. Remember, you have your little dinner with your family and you overspend. But at the same time, this not happen all the time. This not happen all the time, but it's just in a season.
Your back just go against the wall like sometimes.
Exactly. Your back just go up against the wall. Exactly. Nothing is wrong with that. But one day that I got changed. Nah. Yeah. And you cannot be ashamed of that. Is your growth. Is your growth. There were times.
I have a next testimony to you one time where I was mysteriously identified by somebody else where gunman actually drew gun on me. I asked him my name about 10 times. And when I tell him my name, man, I never knew say gun the big and shine, so I don't know nothing about gun because I encounter with gun because I'm a police.
Right.
So I no encounter with gun. And I have that testimony to share, Dana, to show you again. Oh, God is real. And that happened to me when I was a full-blown Christian. And me I say, God, me not play church. Me not have one foot in and one foot out. I was sold out for God at that time.
Mm-hmm.
When we go through that experience, Dana, and when we go to church this Wednesday and testify about it in church, the whole church
catch a fire.
Catch a fire, go under a different mood.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I tell you?
God people them.
I could have gone off the face of this earth for how many years now?
Man.
But God is still
mistake identity. Me no want favor nobody. Me no want nobody favor me. Me no want favor nobody, brother. Because me no out there trouble people. Me no want to look like not a soul, and me mistake identity go that out there. I give problem.
Mistaken identity. So when my brother them know everybody. So when we come back on there, say to my brother tell me say yes. And the person sell up at the market. And I say, my God, look at that. But that is for another time, Dana.
Yeah.
That is for another time. I can share that testimony with people and tell them. They trust and believe God, but these people never know.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you, I was a missionary. I was a ladies' president. I used to preach.
Yeah.
I used to preach.
That's why you're bad, so Gracey. That's why you get in much trouble,
We used to bring the word. When the ladies department go, I have to represent the ladies.
Yeah.
I have to bring the message because I am the ladies' president of the church.
Wow.
Yep. Again, that is a different story.
Yes.
But
amen.
Share it with
yeah, we're going with the supporters, we are going to share it. And I'm going to get to know a little more of me. And I get to know a little more about Gracey. And I'm going to get to know a little bit about enough little things. So, sometimes with growth is it help others, it open up others' eyes. We're not ashamed of our past. We grow from
And I
things.
just share this tonight.
And this
to
is
let
real
somebody
life.
know.
Mm-hmm.
I just share this tonight to let somebody know that just trust God. You may go through something right now and you think that all hope is lost. It's not.
Amen.
And yeah, to share my journey
Yeah.
in this America because I don't know why it led up on my heart and I have to share my story on your program. And honestly, when I share the story, I don't want nobody judge me.
Yes.
Me I go talk it from my heart.
Yes.
And tell the people them my journey in this America here. Them see me have one and tell them how much a big motivation you were to me and how much of a friend you was to me because I can remember one time I come to you and I said, Dana, me having no business with no red card, pink card, no blue card. And you hug me and start cry with me and tell me, say, no.
We're gonna share it. We're gonna share it. We can share that story there another day. We just want to hold on to this, but we have so much where we are gonna share with the fans because let me tell you, each one teach one and each one learn from the other. And you see, sometimes that's why sometimes people say I know everything people must share, but some things is growth. It's growth and it's experience, and people can learn from our experience. If we teach somebody something, at least one person can maybe learn from it. Somebody may be happy out there if you hear a story and how to navigate and to be better and to change them life. So sometimes it's not a matter of you want to tell people your business, but it's a matter of we are here for a reason. We are here in life and we're not gonna be here forever. And why, you know what I mean? We're not gonna be here forever. So it's good when you have a story that you can share and somebody can learn from it and grow. So I'm willing to share any story that, if people ask me about certain things, I'm willing to share a story. And me, I look forward in the comment section to read some of the comments then because comments where me would answer, me willing to answer any comment section by doing a video and share certain things with them. So if you don't have questions in the comment section, I'll be looking out. And you know what I'm gonna do? I get my pen and paper and start write down some of the comments them and some of the questions they wanna ask me and inbox me and start to answer the questions then because it's good to each one teach one.
And it's good to know that somebody out there always inspired by us.
Yeah. I get a call, a very important call. I got actually take it, Gracey. But guys, me I got run with you now and we have a lot more for share. Big up on yourself and take care.
Bye.
Bye bye.